Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging so you can inspect connections. Once done, plug an original cable into a reliable USB port and set the phone's USB mode to MTP. Make sure the screen is unlocked and you accept the computer's prompt when it appears. If MTP fails, try OTG with a file manager app on the phone to verify files locally. This confirms whether the problem is connection-related or storage-related before deeper fixes. Now you inspect and recover. First, open a file manager and enable Show Hidden Files to reveal misplaced items. Look in DSIM, Downloads, and Android/Media. Next, use a DB from your PC. Run a DB shell ls to list directories and a DB pull to copy important files if visible. Then check settings storage for corrupted data indicators and reboot into safe mode to rule out rogue apps. Throughout, copy everything you can to a computer or cloud for safety before altering partitions or settings. Finish by repairing the file index. Clear the media storage app cache and data, then reboot so the system rescans and rebuilds the file database. This often restores visibility. If the file system shows errors, boot recovery and run FSCK or repair tools, but only reformat if you have confirmed backups. If nothing works, perform a factory reset as a last resort after backing up or consult professional data recovery. Troubleshooting tip. If files appear on the phone but not PC, toggle MTP and reinstall device drivers on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.